Okay, welcome to Blender. So today we're going to be making a background. You can go ahead and make this background for anything that you would like. All you need to do is go over to the output and then put in by pixel your screen size. I'm going to go ahead and start this by switching our EV to cycles. We'll go ahead and we'll take the default cube right here and delete it. We're going to go ahead and add in a cylinder. So we want to go R for rotate and rotate this sideways by 90 degrees. We're going to go S for scale, bring this across just as such. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go shade smooth. Let's go to 7 to the top. I'm going to add a material to this, but I'm going to make this as black because we're going to have like a kind of shadow kind of ladder. So let's go with Shift D and mosey this on across. Now if you press 10 on this, we'll go here, and if you press 1 on this, it's going to go here. So depending on how big you want your ladder to be is dependent on where this is going to go. So I'm going to just backtrack for 1 second, and we'll go with Shift D right here and 1. I'm going to go with 2 actually. Let's go with 2. Right, okay, so we'll take these 2. And for anything that is going this way, we're going to go minus. So if we go Shift D and then we go minus 2 or minus 3, go minus 4 actually. Okay, so we've got this right here, so minus 4, and then we're going to go Shift D and minus 8 as such. So once we've got something like this, we're going to take one of these side bits right here, one of these prongs, and we'll go with Shift D. Bring this up, R for rotate at 90 degrees, and then S for scale upwards a little bit, and then S for scale upwards a whole lot. So basically this is the side of the ladder, so we'll go with G, bring this down to about here. We'll go S for scale and bring this up just slightly, G to bring this across, and then I'm going to go Shift D and mosey this on over to this side as well. So once we've got this nice little ladder set up, let's go ahead and add in a plane, S for scale, to bring this upwards. And then what I'm going to do is we will take the plane right here, edit mode. We're going to take the sides, so this side and this side, E for extrude, bring this up. We're going to go ahead and select our ladder from the object mode, making sure that we click off the background right there. We're going to go with G, bring this up, R for rotate so that it is at a side, R for rotate again, and maybe we could do 90 degrees on this one, and then R for rotate again at 180. So we can do, just get this as you need it. So let's go with G at the back. We'll bring this over to the wall and bring this over to the floor, wherever we really need it. Right there. We'll take the light right here and we'll place this upwards, G, bring it across right here. We'll go ahead and increase the exposure. Or you can do spotlight with this if you want to. If you haven't already, change your render engine to cycles. And now we've got this nice little ladder pushed up against a wall right here. And now all we need to do is do view, align view, and camera to view. So once you've done this, grab the camera and we can go with G. Bring this up and bring this to the back slightly. This prong, I'm going to go and get rid of it because it's a little bit too much on that side. And yeah, we have our nice little ladder. Now I can make this a spotlight at the side. So if we go to the lights and we say spot, rotate this way towards the ladder, rotate upwards. And we can get this nice little spotlight going on in the background, and then we can use the world settings and change this to black. And when we go to the camera, the view at the top, and we should have cameras, active camera. And now we have this nice little background that's quite contemporary, quite spacious. Unique is a word. Yeah. So go ahead and play around with it, see what you can do, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.